Hi guys, today I will show you how to use Axios library for fetching data from the API in React. I will show you which open API I will use, which fields we can fetch, and what's the Axios in general, how it could be used with React, how to set up and make a request. So if you are ready, let us go. Yes, guys, I created React app. You can find this source code also on the video. So this is simple React application created with command create React app. And you can see here the open API which I will use. This is JSON placeholder. This is popular free API for testing. Here we can use some data. It's about posts, albums, to-dos, photos, comments. So I will use these comments. We have here 500 comments. So which fields we could use? As you can see, this is a name, email, body, ID, and some words about Axios. So Axios, this is a HTTP client library. We can fetch data using this library. Why Axios? This is more easy for using. And if you want to know deeply about Axios, you can go to this link. I will share it also under my video. And I found this content very useful. So first of all, we should install Axios in our project. It's very easy. Just type npm install Axios, and to check if it's installed or not, we can check the JSON package.json file, and if it's here, so everything working okay. Yes. So after installation, we should import Axios to our app.js component. For example, we are working in this app.js component, so let us import Axios here. Yes, now we can use Axios for fetching data from our free API. So what's the link? What's the endpoint for our API? You can use this one, but this is for to-dos. As you can see, you can change after this slash which data you want to use: posts, comments, albums, and so. So I will use comments. Let us copy this part. I will call this base URL, and it should be like this, but after slash I will use comments. Okay, slash 1. So this is a first the ID 1 in our comments. So it should be this first one with this name, with this email, and this body. Okay.
Yes, guys, let us give the state for our fetch data. So we'll use state hook. Let us call the state data, and the initial state will be null, and then we should write the body for use effect hook. The body should be our Axios, which will call get the data from our API link. So get this link, but we give this greatest variable base URL for it. So let us push it here. Then the callback function with response of the data from the API. So response, and we are giving our state to our state this response data, set data, response data. And yeah, here is a empty array for checking any updates on our application. So let us clear here and create the section with all the content which we want to fetch. The first will be, let us see which fields we can fetch. So name, first will be name, then we will fetch the email. This is a data for exactly for the first comment with ID1 and the body of this ID1 comment. Yeah, you can see everything fetched. So this is exactly for comment 1. So let us give the styling for this section. I prepared it already in my app CSS file. It would look pretty nice. Yes, guys, so let us give here the title of this application or page, how we call it. Yeah, what? So this is exactly for the one comment. What we will do if we want to render everything from our array data, the state data which get the array from our API. So in this case we should map this array. So this array is our state, so data dot map, and here will be the callback function. So element e callback function, and here inside we will push this section which we prepared already. So each element will be in this way. So yes, we should replace the data inside our section with e, because it's each element name, each element email, and element body. So yeah, let us see what happened. It's not rendering. Let us see the console problem. So what's the error? Okay, the error is, yeah, data map is not a function. So there's some problems. Yes, because if its initial state is null, let us give here conditions that if data is not null, then render, then do this mapping. Let us see what happened. It should work. Sometimes when you fetch the data from API, such a problems. Oh no, yeah, again the same problem. So I think we should give also another condition that if the data is not undefined, maybe let us check, because sometimes it could be null or undefined, that's why it's not rendering. You cannot map it, sorry, you cannot map it because if it's null or undefined. Yeah, the same problem. What could be the problem? Let us check another lines. I think, yes, we give this empty array not correct place. So let us fix it. It should be not this, it should be in line 15. Yeah, yes, use effect was not correctly written. Okay, let us wait. What happened? It's take a long time. So no, this problem is still available. So what could be the problem? I think we should give additional condition here for if the data is null, then not render. If not null, then render what we want. So let us sometimes it's also as a solution. So let us write here this condition, else we return what we want to render. So calibration is also here. Yeah, let us check what happened. I'm just looking for solution to solve this issue which we have in this console. No, the problem still appear. What could be the problem? Let us see we give conditions. Let us check the link of a. Oh yeah, guys, we tried to map exactly the first comment. We should delete this first ID, the ID one, and in this case we will map everything. So that was a problem. So right guys, every time check the link of API what you are trying to fetch. Yes, so yeah, I'm glad that we found this solution. Yeah, you can see it's pretty cool, looks very nice. Yeah, you can make some additional styling. Yeah, the main goal is to show you how you can fetch data with Axios. So let us give here maybe additional information. How many, yes, how many comments we have here? We should have 500 here. Let us write here uh, the the length of our array. The array is our state data dot length. Yeah, in this case it should display the number of comments because it's the length of the array. This is the array, that's why. Let us see what happened. Save. Yeah, exactly 500 comments. Perfect, guys. We did it in pretty nice way. So these few lines for fetching the data, we're using Axios. We use here also condition. So in the next video I will show you how to add a filter to our application to see exactly the data for each ID. So guys, see you in the next videos. Keep in touch. Bye bye.